Welcome to Las Vegas Merlin Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. I'm very excited to present you today the lesson 1 dog Kung Fu style. Let's go. Wow. The dog Kung Fu is traditional Chinese martial arts from southern China. Clearly, we copy the dog movement. A lot of floral movement, kicking, tripping, jumping. The dog Kung Fu style showed in Jet Li's movie, Unleased. He been controlled by a metal locker on his neck. He been training as a human robot for fight. Once he released, he become wild, crazy, beatable fighter. The dog Kung Fu hand technique we use a lot, 下摘拳 like this, and like this, 摘拳 for blocking, and quick go up and followed by a kick. When the dog getting wild, he use multiple attack. The punches, palm, push, 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 push. Let's follow me step by step the tutorial for dog Kung Fu style. Let's go. One. Let's achieve the spinning kick. Wasn't that hard? Follow my step. First movement, you step your right and make sure your weight transfer to your right leg and you're able to jump by your right. So once you jump, quick rotate your left leg, bunny knee lifts. Okay, do again. One, jump. Now, second step, jump, turn with your knee lift. Perfect. Now, we go step number 3. 1, jump, transfer weight, jump, knee, knee. So you gotta change another knee lift, left knee and right. Okay, now we go to the last step. Step, lean your weight, jump, rotate, switch knee, and make that kick. Let's see this. 1, 2, jump, kick. 2 things very important. How to step. When you step, your toe go more in this way, that will be safe your rotation, easier for rotate. Another one is your arm. So don't forget those things. So step your toe more towards this way and your arm help you rotate. So your arms from 45 this way and swing back. So the way so easy you got to rotate, right? So 1, 2, 3. Great work. Now we're learning how you're landing your right leg and transfer to this strong punch. As soon as you shoot this kick, open your hip. And you turn your body, you're landing your right leg on the floor. And your knee down and punch. Very important for this technique. Once you go heel kick, open your hip, landing and punch. You say this move. 1, and kick, open, punch. Be careful, when you're landing your knee, don't injure your knee to hit ground this hard. You should control after the kick. Quick landing, like horse does, and you twist. You say you control by your toes. Go down, but not. Don't injure your knees. Almost both feet. That's the safe landing with your strong punch. And your body lean forward, like this. This movement called dog pee-pee. So when dog go pee, he lifts the leg like this. And it's a way to attack, it's a kick. The same time, once you go, the kick go to behind, and you go, punch. So for this technique, very important to keep your balance. So you gotta punch 45 this way, and you kick back the same time. To keep your balance and both sides with power. As soon you got your punch, and quick on the floor, both hands, and one hand, a leg, bending same time, and same time go attack. for both directions. Come back, see this way. Pa. So you can practice this really challenge your muscle right behind right here and go power. So you can have power and with the balance. So training multiple times to getting better with this technique. Quick go through this great combo. So the first move, you go 上摘拳 from under and go up. Both hands really close. This is like someone go attack you, you go blocking to protect. You can go open more or close. Protect your face or you both your head. And you go quick, go down to shifting to knock down and followed by a kick to the face. And after you go double 摘拳, go forward, attack like this one. This technique is multiple attack. So 5 moves in a row. Simply you go push and quick come back, second one, and push again, and come back. And last one, use your all energy and your body go double palm to push your opponents away. When the dog getting wild, he's gone too crazy. The movement can be simple but effective, just like this one. Multiple attack. Let's follow me. Put all basics together. The first part of dog kung fu form. Let's go. Got it ready. Both hands become fist on your waist. Step your left. Both hands go up. 上摘拳. Step your left. 下摘拳. Followed by your step. And heel kick. As soon you're landing, your toe go this way. Move your weight. Swing your arm. Jumping kick. Open your hip and pass. As soon you land, 1. Both hands on the floor. Bend your elbow and your leg, and both hands attack. As soon you after, quick roll on the floor. Get up. Push 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one use your all weight. Let's see the full speed.
Let's see the slow motion.
Let's see the slow motion. That's all the content for today, the dog kung fu style. Hope you enjoy it. One more technique we didn't mention in earlier, so now we're gonna quick go through this. It's a simple, just follow me. After the dog, pee-pee. Wow. So your leg landing in front, 45, and you lean back. So your right leg go up, and left leg go up. Very important, you roll to your right side. You both hands on the floor and quick push hard you can, and you can quick get up, and you can connect with palm, 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 the palm. And that's all for today. I love you all. I see you in next video, and bye bye.